Welcome. If you're looking to customize your Discord experience on mobile and want to know how to disable the classic chat text size feature, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the updated steps to turn off classic chat text size on Discord mobile, so you can get your chat looking exactly the way you like it. Let's jump right in. First, open up the Discord app on your phone. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and sign into your account. Once you're in, look to the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon. Tap on that to open up your user settings. Now you'll see a list of options and settings related to your account. What you want to do next is tap on the little gear-shaped settings icon. This will take you to the main settings menu, where you can adjust all sorts of things about your Discord experience. Scroll down through the options until you find the section labeled Appearance. Tap on Appearance to open up all the visual customization settings for Discord Mobile. Here, you'll find options for themes, message display, and more. Look for the setting called Classic Chat Text Size. By default, this might be toggled on, which means Discord is using the classic text size for chat messages. If you want to disable this and switch to the newer chat text sizing, simply toggle off the classic chat text size option. Once you've toggled it off, make sure to save your changes. Some versions of Discord will automatically save as soon as you switch the toggle, but if you see a save button, go ahead and tap it, just to be sure. That's it. You've now successfully disabled classic chat text size on Discord Mobile. Your chat messages should now appear with the updated text size, giving your chat a fresh, modern look. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy Discord tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.